Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the process to delete your Google account. So if you're also wondering and looking out for a video where you will be getting a clear explanation, in order to do so, we will be guiding you through the process. So you can head over and look out for your Google account directly. You can head over to one of the Google associated um, applications or go to myaccount.google.com directly. So right now I'm using Play Store. You may look out for your profile at the top right, tap on it, and once you tap on it, this opens up on your screen. Now look out for Google account and tap on it, or look out for manage my Google account or similar kind of option on your screen. And after you do so, you can just go over and look out for data and privacy option from the given options on your screen and tap on it from your uh, s- sidebar or your menu appearing on your screen. And once you select data and privacy, you may just scroll down. And once you scroll down, go over and scroll down until you reach over to the very last option called more options, where you can manage your data and choose what happens to your account. So you can select the option called delete your Google account, which will delete your entire account in data. So find that option on your screen and tap on it. And once you do so, you will be taken to another page. You may need to verify your identity before that by entering your password or confirming the two-step verification on your device. Just go ahead and do so. Complete it up. After you do that, Google will show you a list of all the data and services associated with your account. So you can just go ahead and read it out carefully and everything. After that, you can just go ahead and check the boxes right here at the very last to acknowledge that you understand what will be deleted. After you do so, you can just go ahead and click on delete account. And once you confirm it, your Google account and all the associated data will be permanently removed. And that is it. And deleting your Google account will remove access to Gmail, Google Drive, YouTube, or any other Google services linked to it. So make sure to back up important data before deleting. But this is it for today's video. We hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.